on NIT FM attacking individuals, calling Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia names, calling Samira names. What have they done about it? Do they have credibility?
But he has told to say care about our public. Say he does not speak for them. He does not communicate for them.
Or public too.
But you know what can I say on
when they wanted to purportedly put me in a certain bracket and put lies on me, they wrote to me.
Okay, so you hold the line. And what's your reaction on this?
What I'm saying is this: you see, sometimes let's not compare apples to mangoes. Abraham let's change it to Kennedy. Abraham is the regional chairman of a party. God, Jesus Christ, MP to regional chairman. And people want to compare this to.
Your friend is saying, Tama West, watch the way you carry yourself.
So honorable question. Allow me ask the question. Who you are referring to Chairman Abronye, say Ono the regional chairman of the Bunu region, to which we all know. The way all carrying hono Ekutia I don't know Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has come out to say about Obia Mfan San Yaman Webufo Mfan Yedeng Mfan Kano. And of course, also from where you are, also you're chairman of a constituency. And you know, they're also coming out openly to campaign and to support one candidate, you know. And also and Tiamusi say
the regional chairman of the region. Every regional chairman, for example, we are the regional chairman. Regions here, they will be 5 over 34. Meaning you will be the regional chairman, the regional chairman. It's no moral right then of the one, me consensus chairman, behavior. The regional chairman, quite we are. Meaning regions, we are chairman, I are quiet. And you chairman, consensus, okay, you have a passation. Now, rules of engagement, the regional chairman, I do rules of engagement. And on no flout all the first. In any case, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I respect him so much. Fine gentleman. Manon Tradita, I will do it. They is Samira and Madame for those who don't know. Me, Manon Tradita. So I'm a politics on Muyana. No, baby, I don't do those things. Me, I don't do. Only me, India, Tabaco transfer Penija, but Dam says this is a big kicker. Because Penny Kuno, we see it. In any case, we are. None of them can win the election alone. As they say, none of them can win the election alone. And sometimes, and then they open over here. But when your opportunity, that run your area, that I know, that platform is so, any pen man of him that I know, you pen man of him that I know, what sound you pay any number one. Number 2, I'm going to say no, and I'm a swan, or a regional chairman. Candidates bar, you do the introduction and you welcome them, you go and sit. You are given a big platform to do all this one, 2, 3 conferences, 4 conferences now on your back like you. The NTS no matter how fine your candidate is, if all of us don't come at a certain level, we cannot win the power. It's the power we are all looking for. I believe Kerry can give us power. You believe somebody can give power. There's no problem. What is this insult and attack? Will be about them, where is that one coming from? MPP politics,
all right, so Jaman Kwesiboku, zero issue na eba ya na ye kan say ken akogina simply so a waka say omuma eye onya zero e wo north a ono so south a obe make sure say omo benya zero sa asem we no say ken ankoka anka be den
mami ga say there is nothing caucus MPs of Bawumia. Every MP in the north is Bawumia, no problem. No problem. Mother, we sit in meetings and the kind of things they say. Some of our
but you have evidence to this effect?
I am telling you, some of the chairmen, look, there's one chairman for Nkwanta. Go check if you have time for action. They threaten them. They tell them, they say all these things. So he's saying that society recorder. So we were right or we were left. That's the import of what you were saying. That was just the import of what you were saying. And we need these things to not help all of us.
And you know, and this is here no more the tribal issues, you know, and the Baba share more elections no more na.
You see here, you are near my baby, Koswa. Okay, radio so but people are doing it. You only yeah, politicians don't believe us. So they are your radio so come and you know a shank of one two different things.
Me allow me. What you have said, sir, politician, and you can see a Jimudino. Is that supposed to mean that Munyina is dishonest, including you?
You see, yeah. They say they will make all the noise and say, letting people to look, to let them see, say, we are good people. Then you have to say, that's what we are reading. The area of the people that think better radio should be jacket. Any part of the cancer say, way up on the fire.
Okay, so okay, but
why the cars will be about down for? He's a bold man. Bold people say bold things. Why the cars will be about them?
Yeah. Chawa kwesi boku. Before I be jaw ma kokra. Say Ken, he fan on am.
Oh, and then of we not the region. And 8 o'clock for 8 a.m. and also go to Kai Confan. And as we speak now, the man is resting. He's finished the northern regions and then he has a break. He has a 2, 3, 4 days break. So strategize and no. It's possible you may move to the southern region. So now,
SOMPA FM.
And you know, you want to say you are very hopeful, say, come 31st January 2026. The MPP delegates, you know, about Obama, Honorable Kennedy, Japan.
I want to tell you.
What to Obama?
I want to tell you. As people have said, if 137 MPs is going to 67, therefore 63. 63 is 40, I mean, I said 4 video. I'm how many brands when I sign up? 340 fever. I got 59. The niggas are still, I can't. So you leave them, let them.
All right, Chairman Kwesibuku, I've been now say. Now, Ben, I'll be free. I'll be here. But that's it. I was at SOMPA 106.5 FM. Coca, now, my Miss Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, say the campaign, what they're doing.
Oh, our Western.
Oh, Western
North. Maminka Bibi, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is a respected politician. A politician with integrity and a politician with a track record. Or say campaign our is based on one, say grassroots, or by making sure that the welfare system works so that the grassroots will be represented. Or see two, or by every constituency, or by 10 top jobs, send every constituency will feel part of the bigger picture. 3, or say so bar, or by making sure say constituency be one a budget near the Akoka National, so that say you release here a grounds. These are the things we are talking about. Tell me what Honorable Kennedy is selling apart from more buying your dear jamu or mobile or mamu.
Also about creative jobs.
7,000. Honorable Kennedy catch him so I employing for 7,000, which is more than the biggest company. MTN, nobody has cross-check. Or say or still fact is Juma, nobody has cross-check.
Okay, so Coca, I'll come back to you. But Mamin Kwang man also says here that na German South municipal chief executive and now call a big serious allegation on this particular program. And you know, Mestre Honorable say, oh, Humanoswa, Mema Kwabara Pom saying. Watara, oh, Siata Watara, oh, okay. Good. Now, German South, I want to say.
German South for
SOMPA FM.
Second. General Assembly meeting air Kosugidi Sabre Yamen Walker say.
What are Roman Patrol General Lion or so? Let's see a young Komobi. Now, after that, you react to it. May I say, South by Joyce, hello, good evening.
Good evening.
The Patrol, one a minute, I say.
Patrol, only a Maxwell, German South trouble.
Oh, Maxi. Now, German South, what to say?
German South as me and Bibi Koso.
What are my patrons?
Ya kwan na enye. Am see no for machines na enkura akwan na drip machines na. O se onye da. And I can phone so a cover. My report to am up, also be follow up. Why?
I'm me kaisa who can some way. Me paisa okay. But producer, take note. German SARFO.
Yeah. You know, or how no say on one the bottom sick fuel a goom now ye aquano.
And that's what Mami. MP Lankasa can say. On one in the bottom sika editor fuel a goom now the aye.
Yeah.
Ana MC no so on tiase.
O try let the command man panyini e dey approval answer na. Wa man kwan man use machines no. E ti say man panyini pene so dey a e no ba na wa pene so a lalai.
Na so okay enkran ha na ye wo. Enti asemo a wa kan e bedu abamu sesi a.
Aha, me pese yewura man panyini otinia e koso. Am see no de na man no. Soon by our order and declare with German SARFO and American. And see about him, I'm in command.
All right, me bacho, honorable Siaka. Me bacho. So what's in common in na?
TV.
Na, the line out here.
Yo, what our man, it is an hour. Quite once and a great machine and an empty.
Aye. Now the upper change na say as mono munshada emwa MP no man ndi n'adwuma wo German SARFO o makwan enye na waba wompo ho aba beka say oh anka be ya anka machines no release drip machines no ma no onto fuel ngum no mumfa nkodwu kwan no so eno so a wo so wonti ase
yo ni obe ma nda say what do man dey say ya na be no what ya sema na watre na wabisa na no pasempa na say German South ye wo akwane ho problem titlo pa na gene jabe krom drobo sampa kwane e kwane a titi ye na me no so kra ma angobes attack ye wo ho ni nyina ye hawa ye from me ankasa so ne titi wo ho na mini abe ma de ene say yawura MP extra letter at the breme say or say me ma le drip machines e ma ne de ko credit ana ko pense abane babeye no kwata me wo me pa ne say dumba be so a ko dai papa ye mani mahama ode adom yi to me ma mbam bet na see ibi it's up to 4 amane and chere na grade coordinator national eba ye be yi na regional coordinator no mu yi constituency and after municipal coordinators them ye bina ye ba sinana ha say na the omoka chere ye ne say drip machine no ye fidie enti no ye nyanti nye maintenance and yes, service machine and to me fun yet smart. Na ni na muno the bibia yamo woman ye and see yawra and bra me taka kata e wo assembly wono me trono e bo na mani say drip machine no sesi ya no ye ka say me di kana ye press conference e wo German South and a general assembly meeting and so yeah assembly member nibi abo mo amani say ya machine no dinabra odina no grade no asay sane mbambe to no and a machine ankasa so asi wachere biya di one dance say the machine si wo your motor to to our service ya den service yes
SOMPA FM
and I went to see your Maya Japadi, I did ask Mensa, some so. And to that, I was a meeting so. Na carry armor, Nichima, Naya Libya, year to us.
What are with the Master say, Mamimbre Mukakra? Na, the members will be bizarre and they say, one, was say machine, no, say, no, it is not in good state. Blade in us say,
me patch on me.
Ultra crata the command MP no.
Make sure crata the command MP no na me ka kire MP ne say. Trade coordinator e ka kire ye say. Machine no you sitting here service na. My move. And secondly, Sakwan no so no ye papa Agwaja oye road minister
governs Agboja.
And Patrani Aboye Amani say, why not? And you know, ya or Babe, and to finding a highway, a Yanibia, and a Jenna Abba, the sea, or the thing, but no chrono. Also, so yeah, Jenna for them persuasion. And see, I'm Sapanania, ye papa, you know, may friend of me, sure, no. Nama bona mani say, and people say, what you can also. Not all your reshifting was something or also so on advising. But make sure you know, may the copies, Emma, they will empty, that they are also so one kind of over to me about a children of natural at the end of the day. Men and women are, you know, at the end of the day, yet me and you go ahead. I dislike you, man. And so because say, you were empty, and they let the brain stop and say, auto fuel. Every good machine will not yet you can and I'm a international.
Okay.
No. Because machine may your chef and sister Betty cannot catch me say. I was say, yeah, one Juma. I said I have to be a Juma. Now, may try the ama papa say, in the back. Now, then they have to so be my and see all my advice.
Yo, honorable Siata. But mean be also machine no say no mobile here service and dabana mobile service machine no.
Me patrol tablet ya no ye kate. JH Transport at the agreement about the tomato so. Semen familisa and share
SOMPA
service no and my na agreement no. Yes, transport one any year, no, what they buy. And the way here, there to say, mission, and the your process to be to a man, I mean, because the national agreement here, the commission will say, near money in I is fine, and that benefit assembly, and the may refer at the man, assembly lawyer, process to be woman, yet I say, amended, and sana, but sign agreement, no more about the yes, everything, no.
And you know, Uber office, you know, over drip machine in your Juma down.
Me patrol, office, now me war sanitation issues. And you know, back home, any cheaper track, you know, me de aye Juma.
Great than in their own family Juma.
Me patrol, me saying in TNT crime.
Listen in your NTN crime.
Now,
we are then we
say, who take you over? Off check report, handing over notes in the one name. And I'm also so no, yeah, buy and a lot of coordinators, never, you know, or mobile bay assessment. And the great coordinator on the transport officer now, or mobile assembly, they can update me on the status of the great machine. And also to me, you know. My friends here, they are my house of home. Let by me take time, every share book. The only who in a press conference at the two my house of 1 minute. After the two, Ghana and Yunani, yes, for Nana because my ma, the central for a buy. And to the amount who attend you, make a never so, a Japadia, a woman, great machines, no status, Nina, make a my house of 1 year. I'm going to empty the letter.
And you know, now MP himself machine no. Beno kase na ne senye e no sa trust akrata na de brel. Nti usha MP no efidie na wosumu ana say eden a boapayo.
Me pacho ene dia mi nti nka. Na mom no me me di kan chatre, me ka chre ga my forte. Ma ko road minister ho ama na hye me bo say. And be out of the crime. Ah, none is out the view, and the honorable Siate, as some way are okay. And then maybe battle me back, with the nature say, a quina mobile yenintino, Namum Pesa and Pino, ever coquano so,
Said one waka.
Demona, me patrol me intention be ata. Say, idea say, me buy drip machine needs to stop. No man can't let the amount out of work. And the MP didn't let it buy. And I'm saying I made that can't let the amount out of what say. Yet drip machines, yet how near. Because the amount will bet me a boom at say a cafe. And be the Diapaya trying to make a tano. Now, solo, now I become a yen central for meeting. Maybe up to one in say, make drip machines, no matter how we call general assembly meeting. And the two assembly members, any Jamaica, and then say, drip machines, no matter how we make drip coordinator, free training by, the money call, radio beer, what Jamaica to be on your Mokasa, and more moving. Yet drip machines, no matter how I'm going to help you in a letter.
Okay.
Assembly, no, so you want to be a piano. I'm to know him how I'm going to let it over.
Now, what do you want Pino Muntam to say?
Let me tell me a kama.
Muddin Kobo kama.
Oh, you tell me a kama. Oh, you have the idea of strawberry. Oh, you have the idea of Remy or Ponso. Yeah, one request here to the piano apart from drip machine. One a man to me and release the amano. Because it was not in good shape.
Okay, and you know, me pacho nyabutre.
And Pinyama or the Amani Dia, coming Yamani Piano, my facility to me now, the BBI smooth.
Okay, Mommy, 5 requester. Now every MP no, Mommy requester. Eye mako 5 MP no, I make it a war or assembly ho. What the amano?
Yo, me man. Say, first of all, request MP and share that man request the brief. Then request the MC or request or show the intention, one of the first of the day, or spending the MP's 5% common fund, or not, or show the mammy, no catch me say, say, told us, it doesn't so, officer or you need. Quickly, the organization I capture into our revised budget. Said they are empty this day. Now on the wall, empty draw at the brain. That officer or the common fund in the should be AC story building, classroom.
Classroom block.
Story building. The story building. Dormitory.
Okay.
Quickly, Sabre. Na name personally na process name na made by regional entity tender committee. Me guy made any good or quickly organize a tender committee. I will ask them Emma made the name na effort made the car made the by regional for approval. So far request here, one request here to Nobudiano, my granted. And then no. And I want request.
Okay. And you know, me bacho. Now MP, some mu common fan abana am I?
Okay.
Common fan na abana say my.
Me bacho common fan aba.
Now MP no 5% no. Then second.
So common aba. MP 5%. He is entitled to it. Ya ba enyesika ye ede buni bottom na onam no. Or what plans to say no person or trouble me. Na many majumay for Akama.
Yo, Honorable Siata Watara. But all MC and DC.
MC.
Okay, Municipal Chief Executive for German South. My name was in the way, so man who come my any woodin come on. I'm Mukwa. I chair MP my Kenel Damwa and I'm a boy. Yeah, Sharma, why? But Unim said, Mr. Nami or Bono area Hokakra, but Bono Bakwa, I am a de now, could be actually going to catch. Or see, Shabetrohi.
Indeed, to say, what do my worry? Betron, indeed, I would say,
SOMPA FM.
So what and no cry. Now, so why gave him since I'm trying to man away in a year, and Uncle on shroud.
Honorable Siata Watara, we want to thank you this afternoon for the time spent with us right here on For God and Country.
thank you so much for giving me the opportunity.
Sure.
Thank you.
I wish for you trying one, but when we come, we'll be getting into the vex matters.
Techimano Fui, Electroland Abeja, near the Munamuniama Panina Swabo. Wait, Thursday, 10th April 2025. Raya showroom for front and Wukumasi Techiman Kwanaso.
Yedi Roma, sorry, Dino, and I said backsword Nedia Nimshe.
Property Samsung, TCL, Media, NASCO TV, AC, fridge, gas cooker, washing machine, deep freezer, home theater, microwave, blender, kettle, rice cooker, and any more puppet Kahunina. Now, when in baby, Edican for Baku 50, Ebenya 15% discount. Any achedie, it's a rabbit idea. Kahuna, say now.
21st clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma je no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye fra 0540 311 311 0540 311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Tontonte. Yanum sani afadwen. Ne afadwen ampa. Say na nim say brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye simple. T74 abeye dru. Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esina nanom dodo so. Say de na dodo bua ma na nanom enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no. Ema immune support enti obi onum bie no. Abrebia ne ho den. Tontina 74 yinso yaye no sensuo krokro wa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na kroi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tontina 74 menya hoden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana ba bia to nro bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fa afuro ana obi a oma nufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 05016289931 and 0246073498 FDA agi adwadie nkrato yi atom
Wuntumi nkyerenya wo ba eni peche mu ana de obedachi nanso ubitumi abwana manenya pomodin free ne mofrase Jamvita ye de milk papa bi ni nutrivi aye ye nkwada ediane a eye de na ahodi a ewo mu no bo mofra pomodin anio impeni fosweni chopa ma wo bano apomodin free ne mofrase Jamvita gumo do bebre Jamvita, a delicious way to grow. FDA agi edwadie yinkrato yatum.
All right, so SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. 7 minutes after 4. Wherever you are under the sound of this great voice, we want to say Akwaba Ndoku Tsunami. Shanaine wanganye fe. Mutanu nzongo muna geshe kune. Hey. Adaka do hu benbe impure funa zangmana te. Goka.
Kejieke.
Kejieke ne yeden.
Asa wo kasa bebre afi bisu mi busa ba.
No dia we de minim.
We dangbe.
We gadangbe. Eno dia Titles Global mo area no. Titles Global.
Olage mu yoga in your dangbe.
Oh le.
Ominkebo.
No mienle.
Wo ma take opportunity ne manga gambi fe.
Ngame.
Ma jenshi keje ododudi oduru. Ken yimi kebaje osu klote. Ken do mi fio keba la dare kotopon ken wo hie no keti lejo kuku ken gbena ye klo minda mo fia mo shike nu chumo kokpa na echu ha MPP ke Dr. Mahmoud Baumia mo fia mo le ake in loyalty is to MPP babi an contest no ya iyeli ji ake Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ba anye fi president ni wo fia ba na ndo ko wo fi ni oba restore glory ke moko ke bo ake moko tashi alo ike John Dramani Mahama ba feel anu no ko e ka bulletwe because
nakai
no
Amaka bulletwe
no ake e ba feel no
fairly
but no you otwe
okay hanima butwe
asani enye efe no fiano na ba ake ike ba fiye
nakai
ko ni ke fiye ke ko wo mo back wo channel noji won feman noji won build ni mo fian mo aneko chiko tashi ake o moko agbeshi ni bo ba ke bo ba o ba nyo gbeshi
bo ba nyo gbeshi
wo ka kwale naka wo kwa ke mo fian mo ke bi ba ye o ba nyo criticize o ba nyo wie ke ni bi ba wo kwa ne fe yi bi ne ke ba afia ha Ghana ni Ghana actually
yo ebusafo asaba ko kaka pa che yina de se ni akajo ni krakra de se edwuma eye omampanyin Jomama eye e de kwan se obi abompai se on freely because oye no dey do baby na eye a DMB so ba ono so beto aso efri ho na wo ko bompai se obi mfeli a sa so na wo so ba wan hwe a wo so be feli e na wo de nchia e de ma ne nkrofo nyina se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de Jack oyo ja obake obi direct say
yes odon boko
bibi akama de
ya me odon boko
asa wa hye o party by say
me Socrates o me say na me yare
obi da
na say me stretch mass oh me no dey na me
obi da on a boss serious
no
you have changed
be 1 week ni na me yare
say no imported water de biara
me see am no ma na me no de da nyina
brim
from brain dem yada konum brain me yada konum brain na ni pa say ade yi
nipa ben
oh na ye body di papa na nanu betra aka say me your man panya ka ba na ma strip off ni position na as or president no
usuru
me say former president Nana Addo me say former president Nana Addo Danko Akufo-Addo if I am the president of the Republic of Ghana and come stripping off can you imagine say our health data me no mienu your health data do you know where it is now me no mienu so what hospital that do you know where our health data is now
because of that contract
no me see do you know where it is now open your trasima nyema say awenyan ma be ka say your friend is saying or your former president
health data health data no una only maybe a health data no e we he
it's sitting in India ewo your friend is saying we ho your the individual no mo de man no the individual no mo de man the contractor no it's with him.
Now, contract, man.
Yanko bi so ko boy ni ajimamanu. Oya rough now was switching off. Ya ayo me pewe, won farm no was switching off.
I don't think say call hospitals baby. Do baby systems no.
Do you know what? You see, let me tell you one thing.
Go guy will tell me.
Obia be wu Ghana.
Yeah.
Go come and make us our me flow Mr. The contract expired last year.
Yes.
Now we renew 2 years bia. It expired last year. And last year it expired no. Can you imagine say no had a guts to come. Me ma boni pakrodin. O tiko fisi Jabba was saying.
Yeah. Your friend is saying.
He's one Mr. Jababi.
I don't know why then.
He has the contract, and you know what? The server and everything is sitting in India, and he is in US, and managing our system, our health system in Ghana. Now we are okay. Me pay. One farmer now pay quickly. No, I'm switching off.
Charlie, I just am coming in here, I want to do.
Mamichia me paying for me chairman paying abamu paying for nyina echia me rasa me jemfi eni edoji
a branch and what is saying
nyame adom ho ye se wo hu de waye so jewelry now
now
what's the boy baby obeko bia ho bright
Koka nyabutre.
What's the baby obekobia ho bright. What's the mention I say? You know,
nyabutre.
You know he said something. He said something but me fan one back say emri bia na twem na dollar na da 4 cedi na no bi say anu odin. Utie me. Na anu odin. Emma obese no de cost 17 cedis.
As at the time I will leave office na nyese.
Me pacho onanu ya chairman Sabosu. It is here.
No,
do you know more than chairman Sabosu?
Oh, no,
he is the former. No.
Me so I am a Ghanaian.
No.
I also read,
but he is a cabinet member. Cabinet member.
No, I said about a cabinet member.
Now you're cabinet member. Now you're cabinet member.
I'm asking you a simple
question. I'm talking about a cabinet member. A cabinet member.
Go on the internet and Google.
Now you're 17. Chairman Sabosu na kai.
It's against my can I respond?
You respond.
Chairman Sabosu na kai. Na sanyame adom. Na so bi aba. Na obefa fisa 17 cities no. Aba be do 10 cities. Oh sa aba be say na pejako. Oh the informal no say 50 opa. Cry yen 11 points. Opa cry yen 11. Opa cry yen 11 manu. Wa be say no to this level. Ono cry the o the yen.
Wait a minute, ask me Mackenzie akwaba. Mackay.
Eja. What's the 5
Hi, bro Mackay.
Nani?
Yeah.
Eya monchia bra.
No, they be chabra bia. Why you dear man ya?
Amen.
Yeah, let me be real with you. No, let me be real with you.
Let me be asked there. And you part of the pub on the
no, on a more serious note.
In Patrick Hashem.
Get why a flyer.
The only problem my best card is no
assassin doing Obama can't be chairman. Oba. Or say Papa said that the one floor flies in the big in the park.
And then my back. Catch us in my back.
When Julie the Batos out here, I ran to Mackenzie, don't you?
Me Patrick Julie,
me Patrick here.
And then my back. My Julie, the NDC for started the intro to make a picture of
now what to say?
Patrick Nyamia do.
Me Patrick Ebusia for here.
Obia ho here.
Obia ho to cry na.
Eya na empem bebre eya na kase anomantu anogina ho.
Sure.
Me onwuma ba ko mienu bi eye ewokofodua. It's all frame na say me twentwen so na say me yakọ menenam site ba ko mienu bi.
All right.
Yes, and unti na bia the last time I went to me fan cheme enye boayo.
Because you know one e wo fia.
Enye boayo cry me nyesa.
Because who do I want for be blessing?
Oh, praising God. I
guess them
friend. Yes.
Bra Mackenzie.
Me say abodi anyame ye ya untumi ene nyame nkontokwaye ma. Obi obeka say ma su ni mfa so bia no nyinipa.
Oh, they be say anyo ba na de oba wi ase. Anyo no
na make kan so ba oba din dia me meda for mama. Yes, e ma hu hia.
E ma de hu.
En so hwe NDC for e ma yom wo mu fefefe ya. En so mo monam. Yes, NDC for money na monam. No correct.
They be minti ase asem na kan.
Oh, me say NDC for ma.
Omo modern
enam
ase chesen.
Say nyuma na omo ye na nso ani. No correct.
NDC for ma.
NDC for ma. NDC for ma.
Endorsement wa say bu o ma so na kan endorsement you are.
Go na botra ma me. Me bacho. Opinta.
Na me tie no, na me wi no
There be moment.
Na se be onam no.
Na the rev say me ya bra pani ana.
Me pacho. Me do.
I can say 1 minute.
Me 1 minute ama.
There be enko.
There be ma mini Mackenzie. Mackenzie me da say ma kwa aba.
Ma me nchi abatiefo.
Sure.
Na emasema odi abamu ntino. Me nkanche me nua ba bia wa wire for 20 years and an anniversary.
Oh.
Amabo atima lamte. Essay. Be man na chan for 20 years.
Oh.
No me nua ba
sa. Wa konta no so ye wadamfo.
Yes, so ye madamfo pa no ni na nkola enum.
Wow, boys nko
ene makakra kan na ade ha me kakra ni say 20 years. Abante da ha mi abayo. Nyame sha.
Mackenzie mada so akwa baby. Na Koka, just a minute for the response to Eye de Opinta Kai na we'll set off from there.
I am happy sir.
Yeah.
I say omunya ka present ebi to me I then Astripe former president.
Okay,
and I'm the same.
No, also say no or no personally.
I'm happy to say I'm happy to say anyways, but me can say the enabler, the enforcer, the maker of Galamsey, the importer of Chinese people to start and widen Galamsey, and boldly stood in Flagstaff House to say that at least yenya cry yenya sikawum. Civil society started so kasano of from for item 13. Say civil society and
no, you don't have any evidence to that. So you can't say on item 13.
Mr. From for item 13.
Item 13 here then. In your description of an item 13.
After the meeting they ate and drank. Since then nothing has happened.
And this time no more power no. Now your friend
they are so full that they can't talk.
No, you are impugning the integrity of the civil society organizations by telling us that Omako president who are from and Omako Didi Oma maintain president account. Is that what you seem to suggest?
Since Omako by what has been their follow-up?
So is that what you're saying?
I'm saying that since you're from Omako civil society meeting.
Question I'm asking you.
Oh yes, since you're from Omako by have they spoken again? What has been?
You are not being fair to them.
The Odi Nenia or Kasan, you send the certificate grand papa. Okay. My friend saying, Ashibe, you started questioning. But those times are not all dear. All I'm saying is Galamsey Mubia. The president MIATSCSA or Bemua or Ninkofo are appointed or I know Umudi de. Our Mudo my ma. Our monantia gravity no feeling. They are today saying that they need time. We agree, they have time.
But I've just been thinking about us.
1 minute now.
Please. It's an engagement. It's a conversation. Yeah. I've just been thinking about some now civil society.
I mean, no. Okay, maybe.
No, so no doesn't mean say it was because of item 13,
but since the engagement,
no. You're not being fair to them. Kindly withdraw. Just withdraw.
Mackenzie.
You're not speaking to Mackenzie.
No,
you are talking to me about
since Omoko meeting, what have you heard again? The only person who has spoken.
Let me help you.
The only person who spoke was Kenashibe. Any degree.
Let me help
you.
No.
So tell me.
Abochi.
All right, so SOMPA 101 here as our issue, we'll take the center stage of our conversation today. But so when you have the opportunity, you react. When you have the opportunity, you react. Please. Yeah. My research will happen. My research will happen. Now, Mackenzie, say Paula Foku, second coming.
Obrapeni.
Yes.
Ayana ayamanika pa say MPP ayana mpembe be amanfo Felisa MPP ayate ahwe tofom enya no kre sambe hu a mpanifo we mu nyina sebe entokwa bi e beba ya anase menteme hu ase bi e ba ya no this time mpanifo ni na esamba back the odo sa odone na nka ya yere fi party ni mu no almost Sunday about na eye nika. There's one thing that I believe: competition. And it's me bra penny, me papa Paula Foko. I say oba yamana kwaba pa make I say 2014 ewo is it Tamale? Yes. Na me ka ho pa.
Tamale now.
Na mo ho pa.
Na so me shakona bi o baby o. But that is not to suggest na me MPP ni.
No. Send you journalist. Yeah.
But obi o wan kan o baka say
na me kai say
be a problem o.
Debi.
O journalist. Ne mo to aba. Otuaba. Na me kai say me ko share me bra.
Mackenzie men kai bibia to asam so.
Yeah. Enti me ko share no. And obisa am say Mackenzie e ko say. Ana se me kom share me de ti ma bra boy mu. Me ka share say bra pani. wini nyame ncha de ye bubu aba no so na nyame amana wini ne course so dear menhyɛ da ntia sɛ na manhu ne esi a bibi beto omo kwam na amanyo sem de enema bebe taisi enti no sɛ nyame adom na sɛ asan frɛ omo baka I think it's a very good thing and a party no decided so obey.
But he had said never again onya amanyo sem bio on pe position bio wa bra sa sam no to no.
Oh, I know there's so nipa. You say aya na empani sem to ka. You say okwase apen on sanadwene. Enti ene se ewura polafoko aba se obesan ba be dom ekuo ni biewa. I think that we have to really welcome him. News or the Abbas or person contested for chairmanship, you know. I think it's a very good sign. So Obesa be express what you woni mu na person you ne moye na be kambum na se nyame ya adomoma omo call this very contest yera Baumia, yera Kennedy, yera Brana Champon, Mr. Duchum, Anna Miami Brapeni, Mira Kwamne Japan. Nyame de ne bebe bia be na mayin bia no. Ye be di na chi.
So far monitor a campaign leading to the main contest no.
Oh, campaign ni there nyame anim no kre ni me ye adwuma ma yera Kennedy pa.
Ah, we adwuma ma Ken.
Ye pa.
Sa
pa.
We Ken supporter.
Pa.
Oh, sir.
Pa.
Ante adwuma be na ye sir.
Oh, me de ade ba ko a menim ye pa ye efom adwuma.
Efom adwuma.
Yes.
Na ko from one how to say.
Oh, metimi aka say so far there. Efom enye bad sir. Efom ye.
Efom enye bad sir, but bad. Oh, the other side.
Because we still have about 2 months to go or 3 months. Bibia to me see ewa kwa anymore.
But it's not. It doesn't look favorable for you people.
Enye no kre. Obi oka say bia enye no kre.
Coca tells me so.
No, send there. Sebe ono so the other side into and when my dear back where me there. O emi ni also pass so. O emi ni apa. Enti no eya na eye. You see na make I say I can't see there. The results will really determine who is winning. Numbers are the politics. And so numbers no say what baby na say unu no ho sere. I say niema yema we yema we ya. One here Emra ni so ani ko senior you go say Roma be hu last minute o say you be hu last minute killer be hu last show enti no sini na wie ye na ye be hu ni oba be di ye party nanim ana American sampanifo mu na cheso mo kwa akansie no na sefata and so obia wo ba bia sebi ogina ye party ye ntumi nyina faako na me de se ne amaka kire no me gina yera Kennedy achi pa me bra pani de waye bi ne mo ade ba kwa de bi American say on yera nanado ne nanti ye for all these years for 16 years
sure
enjoy you well known everywhere see I can't be a popular power party mu se sia yera Baumia
mojitum
ya jitum pa ya jitum o ye hwan
party nim
yera Baumia ono ya turn for 16 years
I'm a Ghana for
ni nanado oni yera nanado and 90 for 8 years Ghana for SOMPA FM
and you know
and I'm to my for 8 years
and you know mo who say enokura no sa de ebomu hu camp somebody me yi no ho bia ton no sa
bra
is man fa ton no
bra jai eya mamu nyesa no be ya turn 16 years ya ma 4 years kan wa Ghana for to abechi also you popular onye popular dia
but who kasa no kasa no,
well known.
No, in the party. Why are you not painting the bigger picture?
No, I'm painting the good picture. Oh, he's well known everywhere. But the painful side of this thing that I'm talking about is it's not about you being known. No. It's about whether the people decided say we need a kind of
delegation.
Ghana for number because you bet to Obama ye near we and I ye near we. Omuna omoma 1.7. Sa chese ni subri no. Up to 9 koyen fi your party mu. If you die you lose o dey catch them one day party we say ehu like peace your party. Obi emu peace ana.
Oh, mo party.
No, we should be unless you person nunu ye ho sere. Oh, no cry back.
And you know MPP mo asumdwe ni MPP nim. Me baton please. And you want to say in the NPP now there's confusion now about
Ajegu.
I some more national leadership or one more manage the affairs of the party.
Enkoye.
Sir.
Enkoye.
Acting chairman Buti. Enkoye.
Oh. Sir branch the nyonyam e won anim no. No kraje atum se ebeya anka yenyo mu na ground to baby.
Sir aha no kan no.
Ono na kan na asem anyam nam kan. O se ebeya enti obi a onim se enema nkoye no. One man in Sasso accepted defeat.
But there's one gentleman in your party. Yesterday I said it. Today I'll say it again.
Okay.
General Secretary. Why?
No, or you're fine gentleman. Look.
Or you're fantastic.
I will not sit here.
Because that guy, Kodia.
Kodia has done great job.
Because Kodia
to me and not support very well.
Because Kodia the last man standing.
Yes.
Because do maybe none who cry me mobo.
And I'm so Jinamuna we born hand we are born hand body.
Yeah,
that gentleman is still running.
Yeah.
Yes. I will say the next election party in Betuamo.
Yeah, I'm from Akwaye campaign.
Yes, he's a very fine gentleman.
Yeah, because he's worked.
But the non just party to
all right, so what do you think of the coming back of a year Paul Afoko? You think, sir?
Very good.
Sir, obey the chairman of the party rather than the other candidates.
Sir Party Matumana. I mean, he's a good leader. I think he will come and do the best for the party. Sebo wakono wasamba. And yame kukoso no nim. Enti nemum Sir Party for ebehwe yira
Boache
Jago eni matu ama me bra pani Paul de bia anye yisa.
Enye support.
Why?
O support Boache Jago.
Oyebi ni abe mam papa madam from Bibia. Kese mene no ko twin kra kan say. Nakanda. Yes.
Are you looking at your personal relationship with him as against the potential, the capabilities? Sir, because of your nuantino, when there could be a more competitive and equally, well-built somebody intelligently and maturely to handle the party for you.
I mean to me FD so anka meka.
Sa kasabenga.
Me mobra ne sabi obi a wejimi nante.
O mobra
any obi a wejimi nante.
Oh.
Yes.
O mobra.
Ya wakase bia yentumi nka we.
O mobra no obi a wa den.
Say me am to we na say
and to uniko can nantino then of
Prof. So you madam for because India ni nyanse wo team no.
Sure.
Me hu say me hu say metimi ne 190. Yes. Enti no enye say omo ba ni na nim nyanse o mesra o man kan sa. Mpache say o kan Era Boache Jago asem one can be asem.
There be only and until I'm sure that they far caucus. It is so that to give you the opportunity to say the other contestant.
No. They are no. No, but the officer me directs say Era Boache Jago. Wow. Na Era Boache Jago no. Inyansa na say oyeme di campo. My head oko the wrong camp. We say Mbabe camp. The Mbabe campaign actually is here.
What do you make of my kind of say the second coming of Paul Afoko? You think sir ebeboa manyoko no?
No. Mamin ka bibi na min kan clear. MPP is a party that believes in structures and believe in the future of the party. If you take the party for a ride, don't go and come and think the party is still sitting waiting for you to go for a jolly ride.
He took the party for a ride?
No matter what you do, when you attack your party in public, you take your party to court. I want to come and contest. They say social media boah. you've denigrated the party. With the party now court, you've dragged the party's name in mud. And it's normal. Then you want to lead the party?
Debbie. Most of no. I know the all kinds of me no free party no. I don't say David be MPP paying for. I'm say one someone if he say and I'm free party. And he felt that a crime of fast so amudi or no ne kwabranje pon Sammy Crab no. Na entasum. So they needed to go to court to seek clarification. And what we call court no man sem so yeboguye. Until no yam from so.
And men can't tell tie. We minia. Let me know when you are same. Now the third party bemwa. We are sure to make a mass review. As I'm an organ. And I'm catch yourself. The party has gotten to a point ubefo say a butu into ye nyamransem. Can you beka be a bashe? A mere no soa or soon a man musua. Now bo say what it takes to be.
Okay, okay, mini be bashe. Be
e bashe. Mere no e beso. Asma American say he has a right to join the party. But as in whether the people feel he's who we need to lead the party.
But what does the constitution of the party say?
The constitution doesn't say Ukaso be lead.
Oh no, I mean the thing is, you see, you're a polafoko or call no. Or don't our rights or court. And they'll be into me,
sure.
Or call court. But me idea or yeah, anya me de. Or me bra penny maker. 2004. He worked against the party, which personally I felt so bad about him. But you see that point in that year, ma, so
2004 he went against the party.
2024, sorry,
2024.
Yeah, last year. No, campaign party.
Campaign public. Some men okay.
More tips in the better.
The factory because I've not seen.
Maybe I said American open message be a bro.
I send everyone said I'm in front of
obey data no dia.
I
afraid of obey data. No need data.
I know
research officer.
Say they work to say instant justice so. Suba with of coffee if
but as you
see I'm not here to condemn my big brother. No, I won't do that.
No, but we say or your campaign at your party now.
Yeah, some men
me who yes so why campaign it
and I'm saying me the bebro
because except for no 80 no all your campaign it your party no then you speak to facts
bra winning
yes
say me maka say me
no you are not God
no and I'm saying meka assembly enya no kre or me bra pani or he's one person that am na yi in fee party a shame pa. So tie me kasampa betra and someone America. Me say no, this is a fine gentleman. Say nyamia ye na dom. That's a party no. That time no nya MPP.
But make actual says as some now can or has say or your campaign etia in without bringing any evidence to support
evidence.
No.
Next week baba
now no dear. Make say enya no kre.
Okay.
So Masama American is the basics of what we are doing. As here say yes, sir, he's a fine gentleman, he's everything. But you see, there is politics revolve and politics. Chairmanship soon and it's normal. You can't leave the system and go and come. Say sa baba be join the system. No. The era for me is gone. Modernization and certain things and you almost announcing the presence. Write formally to the party, so Babake. Write formally to the party, so Babak. Because you need to be a party member to be able to have a contest. So write officially to the party.
Oh, but they've been given amnesty.
Why am I amnesty? No?
I get Justin Kodia, there was a letter to that effect.
You see, a honor so again, conditions were more. When him say, "Oh yeah, Jumatia party da," and adiwe you drew MPs now, a bit poppy up a lot of people think they've said things, they've done things, and no matter back, abe Juma party nini sa no mano. The constitution and the code of ethics of the party still works. the fact say contesting for position wa be joining in say boni na wa
because I remember say in that communique from Justin Kodia
no anya Kodia on free buy chairman Bute ho
yes yeah and the fee sa in common free buy and of course there was a clause in it say you write to the party and it's true. I remember
what contested elections and that's no maybe sometimes party call here musea people want to bamboozle their way into space as a me what
is a party opinion for the reacted to the statement now or the abano
now so also ba there no more you said you are come you have not come or has he come
they don't know him
say a process say me tia metumi aka say ka flag bearership mi kobi edu oni e kire mema e ho na agro ni di agro say be convert here no ma and I say listen we have gotten to a time political party systems in Ghana has changed tetina na document ni ho video ni ho evidence ni ho no wire no akohu nkrofo na akrokro de john here dey acho sa amre na twemu say whatever you do you should understand that the party comes first. Enti me so see oba no I go through all the process see as we spectators we are waiting to see how the process will go.
But would you be surprised over through the process that party through vetting
abetting
vetting wrong from
na say
coca
no my de be ma no uyi anu na abo video a kire wo
information bi a ni ana
na make a kire say there are certain things say we group papa ni mu ase wo public na where you were free ne japade mu a na wo contest what are you going to contest say you've done something against the state now the laws of the state is dealing with you that was say pardon
that analogy now wo ka say wo papa the political party and the eku ayamanyoku
and it's bounded by laws and regulations me boy and once you flout it traffic light in change
but you are not the person to say.
I have the right to say because what is in the constitution is what is guided. It is not me as a person. It is me ensuring that the constitution of the party is guided and is used.
And say everyone who say over through the process no passive vetting no about
ebiana me ni ho
ebiana oni ho
and I say me so constitution am dey adwuma.
Okay now wo then na betimi ai
Adam go school me no can kind
they be because you are not part of the national executives and you not be part of the vetting committee. What if they vet him and he comes out victorious? What would you do?
Only BB a friend petition.
Uber petition.
Only BB a friend or your friend is a injunction. In teacher say any entrance you be for party now. No bomu dondo na titine disi no BBC no aba. First of all, let me tell you one thing. We need to appreciate Kodria and congratulate him. We have gone through turbulence times and it's been difficult. The challenging time is your chairman, Eyare. The vice ne wohono issues wohono kra on sheda any ahodensa.
You're talking about Chairman Bute?
Yes, Chairman Bute. So
and I also issues and
I'm say a position so
minimal.
Yes.
And also Chairman Bute issues men or
the issues is health wise. Okay. There are a couple of times meeting a bar or see Oyare.
Okay.
And now make us health issues.
Okay, that's
and
fine.
Really issues now make.
Okay, that's fine.
2, women organizer. On sheda ne home fairness asa. So already there is a struggle in the system. For Kodria to be able to do the oyeni baby or the akodru no. Bebo modia akosa contest we aye reviews sa no man. Hey, why any boni cry? Look at the brighter side. Say he is putting things in contest, he making sure see be jina baby pa, he be to me ako contest. So when I hear obiso obe contest, I ask you say, what are you doing? If we are struggling now, and what you can do is go around and campaign, then you don't love the party. Show working in where you think you can support. Ye bibia ebema party no in kambombeba. Intimi who say o person contest our position now campaigns is here. It is just o for say party na bubu. at a point ebe fulfill who individual interest, not a collective interest.
Okay, so you want to say, sir, eye ura Paul Afoko. Eti fa process ni nyina mu. Na o come out victorious say there. Party na man requires uncontested Nyabotre.
Yes.
Uncontested a year for the chairmanship position of the New Patriotic Party.
Yes.
You Coca. Ube petition.
Yeah, because it's say on your party member. Into ye kasa ni nyina no hypothesis na ere. So on trauma so be done here. It is how take park so say boy yakobo me share 2 goals. Some share 2 goals.
Let's see if we can confirm from Justin Kudia and see if really a communique has been sent to him on Paul Afoko's issue, but
but you see again, the cannot. I still think with all due respect, the General Secretary he needs to write to the party. Say me person me be join him. Let her know qua. Then there is a conversation.
Okay, so
call the lawyer that party. No, he needs to write to show that he's coming to the party. Then the right processes he will go through. Then we say so. My point I'm raising says he's still not a party member because he has not gone through the process.
Manya lawyer Nana say man so that or your lawyer ma a Paul Afoko. Now saying me what you saying. Hello lawyer, but na saying. All right, so we're still trying very hard. But you're not landing.
Okay, my last minute management issues.
Okay, I'm saying he's on. Right. Yeah, me Pacho, where are Abotchie, the host of Forgotten Country? And Pacho, what to say? Okay, so we'll try and get back to him. Yeah.
You see, on say health issues in the immune system.
Okay, so I'll come back to you with that particular, but I'm in here Upinta. Paul Afoko coming back to you. I'll come back to you, please. Forgive me. Now, Mepacho, say Paul Afoko, how do you see he's coming back? You see, when you fear some, but Ghana some, and to be so can be.
Oh, answer. So fear. Before crowd or be say, Obi Abodje share. Now was in Suez with the one boy. Indeed, definitely a fear, a baby fear. It is a issue electric barco. It's a bass a jato honum na a Tiffany de me are not bumming me honum. You know, Abochi, only my dear. You share history, Kakra. Me, where I'm sitting, no?
Yeah.
Paul Afoko wasn't treated well.
Yes. MPP for treating
MPP for treating Paul Afoko ye.
Ah, oh yeah, sure.
Oh yes. Okay. A year then, and the highest decision body. Me, I know their constitution. The highest decision body is Congress, and I'm kind of saying, Momo didn't say Congress.
Yes. Congress.
And they made a decision by.
All right, you hold the line. Let me do this particular interview shortly. Your lawyer Nana say so. It's a lawyer for Paul Afoko, but we want to seek some clarification over here. Now, lawyer, I remember about Forgotten Country on SOMPA 106.5 FM in Navy. Now, Umpumboko there. Adra, say, Meno Kasawa Highway after the declaration, no. Na saying na man for FFR no party for the beginning in common.
Oh, we suddenly even before the declaration, the Kragan Kopoli didn't come on.
Party national executives for party national executives for any didn't come on.
Party national executives. I do the women to me, so we didn't come on, so we didn't come.
Now, says why declaration of intent, Onyaya, or contested for a year the race for the chairmanship position of the New Patriotic Party, you know. He came out saying, never again party politics, and yadi occupy position bia. And we mini Koka su didn't come, and Koka also says, a quality party in the fast or and yakwan paso no saba. Even with the amnesty that has been granted, there are clauses in that amnesty. And we are asking you this afternoon to say, Paula Foko, what taking steps at raw at the Ama party in Penny for say, or Peso Saba ever join a MPP Aman Yukudana?
Jedika, Wani Kuka.
That's why I do. Or yeah, communicate.
Now, we interview me now to Kuka.
Me pacho, or Coca, Branty Bia, or Kasama Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Onona or Casa Ansam.
Oh, I don't know what can say. A choir or Rafu could be part of the fast. Now, on Kai choir party within the fast. You see, Sir Casawino, and only meeting for a catcher say. Nipana or no what to say, or person contesting. Or say, be a CHM with your opportunity. Iti sabi, obi to honor of self, or very can send be say. They need to say, baby, you free banner, say, no cram part. A boy, baby, you free banner.
But lawyer, let me patrol. All right, that's fine.
Asemsia. Now shefa. Now I'm shefa. Now some non-person of the candidate.
Great.
It's all kind of for Lafuko dear party. Now one kind of party dear for Lafuko. Then I don't think you want to be fair.
If you say young Kaidia party need the year Paula Fuku, need the Paula Fuku so the year party, no. Na yam fan tunes and yen so ne yam fan ning komwa. Then we are not trying to be fair. Na mamin bisao. Ajebiano, upon reflecting per the statement or the babon thing, no. I want to find out from you whether say Watrokrata the national executives of the party announcing.
That's our question, no. Now, what assume that I say what's a Watrokrata? He is not supposed to write any letter to anybody. I think that's what problem with the way of Mr.
Okay, so he's not.
Other than Nipana, Uboli Dino, Akano, and your son who says into what Yatum and I'll be Busasam.
Oh, Bidia, sir, and was some no waka, and we are only seeking clarification. We want to also have your view.
Let nobody throw anything out there and you accept it and say that you want to seek clarification.
No, and it's because of that reason we have also called you for your opinion on this particular issue.
And I saw the meeting come up.
I mean, we didn't come up.
In some way, you are with
but Unim, I don't know. Maybe some Tronio. No, you are Yabutre.
Madame, when you met him come up. I say we beside be no, we better not all can. I know you have the mind. You put it to that person.
I put it to that person, but I just wanted to hear your voice for the listeners to also know that you are speaking to that effect. But a quick one, Fred is saying, Obisu Adiababa Twabontin say, Abrantia na menini dim komo hano. What should I say? If Paula Foko should be granted the permission to contest for the national chairmanship race for the New Patriotic Party, or no petition against Paula Foko's, candidacy. Onion in Tamohom.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, fine. Come on and see. Thank you so much, Sir Omar Hokwamani and they didn't come on. Open that to us.
Oh, so
Yabutre, Kuka.
Well, until now, make us a history kakra with respect to near Afoko, any Kwabra Japan, any a summit crab, one firm, a Ghana, any chia. Na emi say, when you not a Dawson, and to the extent say, I found baby crano, about his Obekaya, I found baby crane, say, ye can say na the then Fragberano and pet Sanko for any of my juma. Sana sabi nkomo na ekoso abonten no ma say then Fragberano and a made the Elka Screti say ye nyi omo If you are not no, history na
no, we had a history here.
No,
you grab a representation of that.
Me so many akwanya kamase me.
Until the kawase mebre.
Maybe obema memre because abochi. Na say wo boti am papa.
I wish you who na.
Na say boti am time ti ma memre na me nkasa.
Baby ebrenity.
Na memre because omomuka.
We wo asem we no. Enye we fisam.
Me fisam because me kasa o say lighty ahoma ne yetwe no ye de fa obi fie ne ye sa de ko obi fie nti eja no to ha ebetumi atia ma me ho
but do you support the idea say
me
no direct question
there be ma me misraw nti ye kan ye koi na ye kaya utumi say treatment papa ne fam no ne kwani nyame anim nie na eya na na so be interview bi em say that was the canon record say that was in the first appearance.
Maybe Kaisa interview
good. On a particular name one more class a minute ago Kaika say papa no de party ni fan ni mabim bebremu na party and community rule of law didie anka sebi nkewe one form an fa baby emu anamebwa iti ni sama papa no na no obeka yi e wo mu say yes only a dead person who doesn't change his or her mind sebi ni owu e no se sana adwen na mom ebi ankofo akọ ho say party no baby aduru no de say na wodi wani minyamo ye ya ma party no bedum pempen so be ye pamu si nchen ya ye de ba power 2016 no 2017 election 2016 election and then we had about power 2017 no fa ye ma ye na ye ntumi enya nimnyam bi but no kro ni nyam ye nim na abuchi ye kan me de me ye papa na anka sabi etu nkotwe de ehwe na ka ontra ne ba bi di na at least akokra anopa obo mpesi bi wodi na wa yidi cause this ye be twe abasa twe ha na nyame amfa fie na akokolusu election credibility kakra na aka na confrontina ba bi
Mami na say na mami ka say Medimafo Herbal Center so asena ebusuya sabre wo yade na pa yade sa entem so paalea me ba to bomodin fa na fa wani kire Medimafo Herbal Center Dr. Time da so say ye usisi yade anampo no esi kire yade anase dwunso yi na wo so ba opeso fefro be ma opeso ma oba fefro a me ba to bomodin na fa wani kire Medimafo Herbal Center Dr. Time da so na cha kwan e won kran ha eye pokuase mayira na ohwe no kumase a agogo bia ne gama school de hwe no mo Dr. Time da so o say the Lord is our ultimate healer ebusu obetima bomodin afren was 0244774282 again 0500727215 na zakai say Lexter Company Limited abomodin e de apostle kama Benjamin so eno na wodi twetwe sia no pa na awia enumre a beg your pardon ema wanum eye twetwe twam na mpo no wo sin no a change color eba ma sin color no aye fita wo enum kuro a me pacho aye just toothpaste ya toothbrush na be ka wasama ma wo kasa na nkan firi wenum ba bomodin ya toothpaste ya toothbrush eno na ba no ni fo aja tuma sese o mu yiso bomodin na fa we kire aye supermarket bi ebe obia no na kopa portion we ya toothpaste ya toothbrush na open dudu ma to a number of phrases so 050-161-9588. So Kumasia 050-1390-338. A person where Lexter Company Limited at the Abajaman Soro. Ebusuan aye kabapa. Nasasha no subio say Kasa natural mineral water. Ubanu munsio pa o no munsio pa. Nsuo a ebema wo hoden nsuo a wonum a obenya na anuane no afrim wo nsuo a yabomoden edi first grade filter asone so a Food and Drugs Authority for aja tumo Ghana Standards Authority for aja tumo me pato nsuo we yeah Kasa natural mineral water yeah so hwenso dani as a brochirisio bomodi na kopa bi dan mo enu ne ebeje wo ye wo de sachet wo ho ye wo de de bottle na me de kire wo enti wo ye party wo ye weddings wo ye nhyemude bia ye Kasa natural mineral water ebusa so temen kan obetimi Africa Casaloma Ventures e wo 0206469-430 again 030-3969-780 Usho machakwan e wo Taifa Accra haya bia wo back hospital nechi ho Capsa natural mineral water, so refreshing. Now, Doctor, where you can who some materials? Yeah, do we all the Abejaman so time herbal mixture. Hey, time. Me pacho when you malaria. When you mat to want mean didi. When you na yo boho. Me pacho who body pains. Time herbal mixture and Rebecca was a mama. Would you any drugstore pharmacy shop be a benwa? Ebusuya a idea when your time herbal mixture 02444176669. Time herbal mixture. Ebusuya chemfa. Namasaka you say 21st clinic. Minimal Casey. Omodu won hye bia afibia womode eba na die da so no the annual free widows treatment program afidie so eba so it is the 9th edition 21st clinic and the brewo da benga memory da 1st November and that's a Saturday 1st November 2025 our 21st clinic branches bia or memu have an bia so do any chira ho now we kunafo na we nyanka na we wisia na mpono undi mfie ndu wachi 18 years you qualify for free consultation ya baba free lab any free diagnosis ya be hwehwe omoja mu yanye usika na ya hwe bebi ko ya de no wa hawo ya wie so ya ma we draw free ya wie na ohia massage so ya sa ma obi and which in the crowd, your ma with Diana D. Ama crowd, was a Felix Benze, what Felix God. That being the said you made a basso, a Saturday, 1st November 2025, and no part non son copy me via no me no. Our 21st clinic branches be a Ghana half an ABBA. Juma day, so open home pupuya, open home como 80, and now person 21st clinic for heading como. Number of phrases soon 0540 311 311. 0540 311 311. Nasaka Biose Electroland Ghana Limited, the home of quality electronics. And what hey! Electronics be a madam for Bigoto and Nietzsche and I say, now if I thought Electroland Ghana Limited, there would do any ho. Now koto a year TV, fridge, air condition, washing machine, any electronics be an empono chimatobi bahwa. Me patro mo warranty to bet me da kwani asesa na ma wo mpe we na pedeng na mpodo omniema na omotono and says how a durable a quality ankasa omo Nasco products omo media product omo Samsung product omo TCL product but omo offices all over the country Tachiman omo Kumasi station or Kumasi omo Kasi Junction Tech Junction and Crying Agenta Barrier Dantuman Runabout industrial area BNML Complex edition anymore so uba show more sunyani Mankasim Cape Coast Takrade and Tamalea they are all over there. Remember you can call them on 0245 949495 0245 949495. Nakai say Sompa Kaneshi Nyamia Dumwa if you die anymore ya Bakaneshi ye the studio din nyina e ba be si Kaneshi station rock banyan ho de be programs ni nyina enti for mumpuna mumehwe make up labochi said ye metie ebi say me nice ebi say me nice me producer say akwawe obe guy safo say akwawe Oluma na oti hodo eti pacho jado Sompa type no everywhere Safo oh no Boka Safo die bruta and you for but me move just 3 minutes to sum up on whatever conversation that we have had over here before I take my calls. And team I mean starting
health issues, no.
All right.
Let's be patriotic about it. Nimbusa a few questions. Why the only platform? No? Owners of the platform, no, you engage you almost all money day. Minister information or the Maya, no. I miss why economical with the information.
It's been economical with information, but I say misinformation.
We chantro.
We chantro.
Some no man can hear who the American chair.
They be also we chantro. The all canon.
Yes, Mammy Chow.
And you're no cray.
You see,
and
the
you know,
health system. The health system. What do you mean? The health system. You
so also we chantro anka. Cyber security authority for Emrana Omode Basse. You see, we be missing for me.
Sadly, as I'm enjoying, what he is enjoying in modern day society, no, the actual idea. His pains in life, no, the actual. Remember, no.
Baby, coca.
That's all the evidence about.
Information now, uti ene kasa okan ene ne de okan nyina. Or say health systems no enye ni nyina ene wo management systems.
Sir.
No kind. Or say no be ane wo so.
It is true. I can call a friend who is
wait. No, allow him to flow. Allow him to flow. After that, I'll give you the opportunity. Sure.
One. Before I make so cran, so social media. Social media serve and they see.
Him.
Aden and one kwaje. And Noah will state, in fact, the whole nation database war. You are not fighting over that one. Right now, you are putting people's life at risk. Say with the new system, how do you get the old database of health people so that you continue medication from where they ended?
I want saying.
What about the payroll?
You
see, one.
I count 2 minutes.
The information, or say 4 weeks. 4 weeks migration or you know. Charlie, Emfa.
And the challenge is be brave.
If you think you're building system, now you want to be a shareholder or you want to be majority holder, make the conversation. To your kana ojeno, neka chance I want to be a right owner. 3, I want you to migrate your server into my space. I want to be in charge of it and own it. You need to let Ghanaians know what kind of agreement is between the people, because if you are a share space and I will occupy, you don't own the share space. Again, or can BB say your friend is saying
I can't minute
data information. And on wound to me, your friend 70-year-old man wako hospital. Or they didn't run in the report the BBako because he is scared. He say a be medication never can command an emwa. When him say medical suppliers ni sanko phone na pharmacists ni sanu ni
data ni na
your access. When him say yare ni bibia uko ye lab test ni bibia, the system automatically runs certain vital information me prevailing diseases ni sanu in sad time we are 4 months, you know. How are you going to manage and tell us the states and any prevailing diseases in our normal system and how to manage it?
All right, so that's a question. We'll find out. I'll follow up on this particular issue. We're raising and there. Trust me, you get the feedback. Opinta, your 3 minutes, your last 3 minutes.
I say, Coca, Esiki. Me won't see her.
Fresh.
Me won't see her.
But first, that's right.
I don't trust you.
No, there be some interested.
Opinta.
Me there be a minimum you are.
Opinta. Mo fancy you about Combrena. Coca is your name. Coca. What's his unit saying?
Come on.
Yeah, Casa natural mineral.
Come on. Abochi. Abochi. Thank you very much. Where meaning I so seeking for information. But
you have 3 minutes.
Yes, and yet the matter of Selbejina Hana Waka say Minister Chantro. On what basis are you saying say Minister Chantro? The one who has the information. The one who has information of Unim say the guy flew here and said change a contract with him. Or supply, your catch on supply, your friend is saying machines, computers, some say conference, you can over 200 over 50 no do or the coy. Said Doma, Mamma Chimakra, so Techima government hospital, no, you can on 500
Holy Family Hospital.
Holy Family Hospital. Thank you. On 500 Nemqua, over 20. And no crown ponu say maybe about
Techiman Holy Family.
Yes,
the administrator is my friend. I'll find out from you.
Good. And then I spoke with a friend Juma Buno. I don't want to mention the particular hospital's name. Government hospital. I'll say on no craft friend, I no pay I'm kasa you. What more catch me? I'll say on this platform yesterday it was displayed to us. You saw everything, and it has a year to the new one. A while for kitchen. kitchen.
Oh,
Debbie,
I'm working with time.
No, you can't. Don't end me, please.
No, I'm working with time. No.
And do you know one thing? The $100 million that was signed then, it is not like that again. New one is owned by government of Ghana. It is owned by government of Ghana. May say it is owned by government of Ghana.
I'm giving you time.
About 3 minutes, me who you. Now, Debbie, I saw the 3 minutes you gave to Coca. No, now saying Debbie, Mameka no ha, Mameka only say me no. Yes, every time they come, I may address it. Now saying now me complain show some time out the mamma no wahano and yet mwame.
Stop watch man.
Hey.
Mwame, about you may come mama it's my manusi
ya. They opiama to go.
There be me no, Mr. Mame address it. Man can hana me go kana bontin.
Na say we dey anke kuku.
There be na kuku. Yeah, dey me kana ha.
Na asem na kana enye no kre.
No kre pa.
Onim. U videos ni bibia. Me every people. Me but asakra men video.
Yeah. 80 to put the record on straight,
straight.
Say CCR by the grace of God, the minister led by Ministry of Health, led by Honorable Kabran Mita Kando. Things has been placed in order. The 4 weeks no cano. That 4 weeks, it is in Western. I mean, this week 100 hospital facilities. No, they will go on the
all right, me that's it for the information that you have given me. Mackenzie. What's the matter? 3
minutes,
oh, there be 9.
Oh, yes, we can.
Oh, there be. Oh,
5-9.
Oh, yeah, and you're 5-9. The time. You're time. Oh, yeah. Me patrol a year. I'll come back to you. Why? Me patrol Mackenzie. Patrol saw Mike and why? Over pond 512.
Oh, okay. 512.
Send me every time more.
3 minutes. Pacho, Menkasa was 3 minutes.
That's what I said.
That means I said.
Until we watch my
man. Now, Casa. Until Menkasa say. Okay. Until 11. 5:11.
5:10, please.
Yeah. Minya Ketuan Wakasa. I see minister say 4 weeks in Meboa, which is very good. Nyameka say yesre nyame nhira ne na hoden ma no say 4 weeks ni bedu no ne o ka no betimi aye eno na meka fa me hye dan tiase na me cost because ntokwa ekokọ ho ewo ho no say obi platform a ono abie wa abrochire a wo da so bi no wo say wo de okwa kote wo de ewo Ghana, and I'm wondering how you are going to do it. But it's like what? Now one platform.
You are summing up. So sum up.
No, I'm summing. No,
it's a software that.
No, there's a gateway. A gateway. Okay.
And
so if
only software the man ministry no. And limbs.
And I'm saying
CCI, it is not more limbs in podium. CCI, no, it is government of Ministry of Health.
Lightweight and
no, it is Ministry of Health.
Yes,
everything is for the Ministry of Health. CCI, it is for Ghana.
It's for Ghana, okay.
It's owned by Ghana. Data no so all can was them.
Oh no, we wish him do know where we are getting the I mean, if things are coming to Ghana, now say omuye ne be ya, media cool. Very good thing. Enti ya bompa yese nyame nhira man say.
Yeah.
Nimdia wenya ni nyansa wenya se oye be ye no. So the year na ye.
Okay, but I promise you 1 minute after picking these calls. If I talk about 0260-196064, 0260-196065. If I talk, Udini baby okasa free.
Bacho Maxwell, German staff trouble.
Hey Maxwell, ene municipal chief executive wababe kasa. Wasi asem na oke nyina no. Enimusa na de no patche ne say aye grader no
yeah
woka ho asem no grader no ne nsin nyina say entini enye adwuma was ever since oba office no grader no onfa nye adwuma bia
Abotchie I'm seeing I can say I know the German SARFO ani ni ye I then a German SARFO ko aye machines no ne nsin nyina say ye mfa nye adwuma ne nsin nyina timi say ye Ebeka yen sano e di na say an MPP aban free aban so
na second campaign time we use machine the juju kwan bebre so.
Abotchie, only any niye. Enti America say join the man mama, mampani am see.
SOMPA FM.
Suni buy when order na do jama.
Baby, I men kan sa because in there wa chechire mu na mpanyimfo so bete enti de wo so aka no. Yemfanti wa na ka wasam ne yenko.
Abajo mati le na si bebe na kwanya odi amawe. Mamenchi na menchi ayi kana ko joda mo ampi papa a boy duma man. Abotchie I will say yeah ko contest. But yewura Mahmoud Bawumia the way what's yama obia oni obi wo problem using the platform e de ye niema no along last na ekotia no na he is not aware obi ni obi wo problem ohuna kwanya bia obenya yes ogira platform so mra wani aba sere o pacho se atiefo anase delegate ihu ewu mobo no sabre na obi so ebetu obi ayampi abetu I mean our platform so now why you any share them at the end of the day no one ever kwatia no enti yewura Mahmoud Bawumia as the question yamaye said no only do a problem I am a platform so
me that say yeah
afoko asam no
enya Gregory Afoko Paul Afoko
rather Paul Afoko ebaya anka busiafo no tunofo na baby papa na duru no for na ni monyam ntrasi o se ba ba shisha ade we bia gu ani ma se dada o se ya ba ba ye na ko sisen oba ba
mami na wa say so ba jumedi so hello good evening
good evening
me ba to dini baby akasa free
pacho Koti ni so
all right Koti what am I eating
yo me trasi Abotchie tell shop kwanya MPP for the gonna fast so na get a picture de tiomo o ma senyama o ma seko jap de tiomo tumbo papa kriswa aka military government pa na ka kofi
SOMPA FM
ye show ma so pa Abotchie
yes
the back at the empty for say the better shut up they cannot deceive anybody again this country like 2016. How do about you? So let's do that. Ja, kwanya omo dikana faso. Come dikana for faso wo. Omo kasa kwara gana for gwefu.
Mr. Koti, I say I'm sure obenya pressure enti brafo.
No, me I think I know that. But I want Ghana to know the kind of people that are. Me that pressure. Me will start the politics here. I hate that people. Look, you say.
Mami that was Mr. Koti. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me pass all dini baby akasa free.
Nikita Johnson refer to Dr. Mampong OT region.
OT region, okay. Me pass it to you.
Nikita Johnson. Me pass all but me kasanfa bekes na mo say obi achi omu na mo the program na ban chasen.
Aha.
Nyan pa me kan say sansa those bekes openi. We show mo that they were almost starting for one say ya with man as they. You see almost how to smart romance and was on my poko. Into almost because I'm very excited of your man call for my sabai. You see the way I'm also being full of move from
picture now you the to your Facebook wall now you can want some say akwana yi belt now or they bo akra no or they bon kwa microphone. No, but say any right say so be radio kwan ho a wo as an individual now I got belt now wo bulls any panel. Now what if say wo so no Ghana need this shape so baby no so wan kire now ono so ti baby ya la kakra. Don't you think say it will be retaliatory? I know the means so me that say so ba dwumedi so. Hello, good evening.
Morning.
Me ba to wana me ne ka say.
Good morning.
Again, mo wara man pacho eti why?
Me butu aba beri na me ka say oh azomba bo mo gbazuma.
Yeah, that's it.
O ma ya no pa, o ma ya nyumre.
Yo.
Ya mi jiramo. Yo me jaka de na me chano me tu. Eye by a champion honorable. O ba den zakta. And that is I am on Tomano. And I ain't coming as much as my David can come with me. But I don't know more than Munya and I'm going to give my number. Number 10 me winning. and Chris Lord also for youth organizer. One ending the body in Pablo Abrikumano. One also for national woman organizer. The American Yanite. For parents and about SOMPA FM. I am coming about it, and I assume you check a crack.